No doubt about it, the food trucks are back in Roseville. I was down on Vernon Street near the post office last week taking some pictures. They'll be here regularly, not just Roseville, but all over the Sacramento Metro. So pay attention to the calendar at the end of this, and you can look and see where they're going to be. Thursdays, they're almost always here from 5 to 8 o'clock downtown, and often at Lava Ridge and also Matheny Park. So look at the calendar, and we'll see you at the food trucks this summer. Mediterranean Grill, falafels, all kinds of great gyro stops. The next one is Rabbit Food Revolution. We're looking at burgers. We're looking at all kinds of different burgers, Resistance, flatbreads, all kinds of cool chicken things too. Shondo's Tacos, really a Sacramento favorite. Shondo's has another truck here as well. So if you're into Mexican food, it's the place to be tonight. Okay, that's the food trucks. We'll see you Thursday. Bye-bye.